Welcome to this guided self-hypnosis resource from Hypnotherapy.com. Do not listen to this recording whilst driving or operating machinery. Heid Hypnotherapy will never add adverts to guided hypnosis sessions. However, the platform that you're listening to this on may well do. Therefore, you can find in the description box links to other places where you can listen to this recording. In the description box, you will also find information on who we are and what we do. Take some deep breaths and make sure you feel comfortable. Let your eyes gently rise to look upwards to the point where the ceiling meets the wall. As your eyes rest here, I'm wondering what your mind is drawn to, what thoughts may be coming to you. That's right, just like that. Feel your eyelids beginning to feel heavy. And focus now on how much those heavy eyelids are causing you to blink. As you concentrate on your eyelids, you will begin to feel relaxed. Your breathing is beginning to deepen, and your eyelids are feeling heavier and heavier with every blink. Each blink lasts just that little bit longer, and as if mimicking these blinks, each breath also gets deeper and deeper, longer and longer. Can you feel now the effort that it takes to reopen your eyes between blinks? When they're ready, your eyes will close all by themselves. The action of finally closing those eyes feels so good. You have been looking forward to this since the moment that you raised your eyes to look at that point on the wall. And now those eyes are closed. That heaviness that you felt before is giving way to relaxation. And maybe right now you're wondering what I will do and say to help you move into trance. But relax that curiosity away, because trance will come, if you want it, all by itself. If you want it, you will make it happen. And in this beautiful state of bliss that you've led yourself into, everything works together now to help take you deeper and deeper into relaxation. Every word I say takes you deeper, and every out-breath you take takes you deeper. Every sound and every sensation from the space around you takes you further and further down into relaxation. You feel wonderful. And as you rest, you become aware of a stillness in the air, the coolness of that still feeling filling your lungs as you breathe in and out, in and out. There's a slight fragrance in that stillness, a sense of green, a sense of freshness, of the grass on the plains. And as you imagine the grass plains with those gentle curved hilltops, you realize in your mind's eye you're beginning to build up a picture of them. Green fields, swelling as gentle bumps, almost like swathes of material. Green, as far as the eye can see, but each field, each hill is a slightly different shade. And now, as you look, whilst still breathing in that grassy stillness, you realise there are animals dotted across the land. Maybe that one is a sheep, and this one here, maybe that's a cow. And there sits a gate separating two separate fields. And around the fields, between the fields, those darker green dots, those, maybe they're lone trees. And as you look out at the fields, you realise you feel so connected to the land right now that it's almost as though the heartbeat of the land is echoing beneath you, beating slowly, beating deeply with strength. You are safe. The heartbeat echoes across the fields, and the trees, their energy beats along with it, connecting to the fields. And the cows, their hearts too, regulated. And the sheep, their hearts beating. And all of the other animals that you can't see, rabbits and mice, all breathing, their hearts beating together, all in motion, all in togetherness. And you stand on that green hill, looking out, listening to that connection, sensing that co-regulation that nature has with each other. You can choose to connect too. It's up to you. If today you're not ready, just be aware and enjoy watching the regulation and that co-connection that nature has. But when you're ready, and maybe that might be today, right now, when you are ready to connect, your heart will beat along with the hills. And you will listen to that beat. And as you listen to the beating heart of those hills, we're going to count those beats from 10 down to 1. And with every number I count, you will go deeper and deeper into relaxation. Are you ready? Let's begin. 10, 9, 8, still breathing in that beautiful stillness. 7, 6, 5, feeling your own heart, your own lungs connected in unison. 4, 3, 2, letting that heartbeat take you deeper and deeper into peace, into connection. And 1, relaxed, feeling the strength and life within your body, feeling calm, feeling safe. And as you feel that connection and that co-regulation with nature, you can feel that connectedness and co-regulation within your own body. And we're going to do this today by focusing our relaxation through the vagus nerve. So take some deep breaths. Feel those deep breaths within your body, and feel your breath starting right from the diaphragm. And as you feel your breaths starting deeply from your diaphragm, allow yourself to become aware of your stomach, which is where we'll begin working with the vagus nerve today. Give your stomach permission to be calm. Feel the tension within it release. Let it out. Let it rise from you like a halo of golden light, rising up and up from your stomach. And now let your focus move upwards, up through your diaphragm, through your stomach, up to your heart and your lungs, which already are breathing calmly and strongly. Remember this feeling. Remember the pace and depth of your breathing right now, because when you want to reset your vagus nerve, this will be your first step, allowing your body to breathe in the way it is now. And by doing so, you will be able to return your body to that feeling of relaxation. So now, as you breathe deeply, notice any tension within your heart and your lungs, within your chest, and gently allow it to release, rising up, up, up like a golden halo of light. And now move your focus up, up into your throat. When the vagus nerve is activating the nervous system into fight or flight, it can make us swallow, or it might feel as though your mouth is dry or that there's a lump in your throat. So now, as you work with your vagus nerve, bring that gentle, strong breath up, up from your chest into your throat. And notice if there's any tension in your throat today. The throat is connected to your ears. Focus on them together and allow any tension that you feel within them to just release. That halo of golden light, releasing the tension and allowing it to rise up, up and out. And now bring your focus up to the space between your eyebrows. Stress can cause you to furrow your brow and to frown. So this point too is linked to the vagus nerve. Free the tension from there too. Allow your facial muscles to relax and see that tension rising up away like a golden halo of light. And now push that relaxation right through your body. And as you do so, any tension you've been holding on to will also rise. Let that tension rise up like a golden halo. Sweep that relaxation through your body like a wave, releasing tension everywhere it touches. Treat your body to this amazing feeling and let it envelop you. You are safe. You are relaxed. You feel wonderful. And you can feel your confidence rising. And I'm going to leave you now for a few moments to enjoy this intense feeling of relaxation and healing. What a beautiful feeling you've created for yourself. And now that you've learned to reset your vagus nerve during guided self-hypnosis, you will be able to return to this state whenever you need to. All you'll need to do is to remember that deep breathing and to bring that pace of your breathing back. And when you breathe deeply, like you taught yourself today, all of the rest of the points of your vagus nerve will work in co-regulation, just like those fields and that heartbeat. Everything will work together to return you back to a feeling of comfort, of safety, and of connection. And now, as you hold on to this wonderful feeling of relaxation and strength, it is time to come back to your everyday consciousness. And I will help you to do this by counting from 1 up to 5. Are you ready? You will use these numbers to reorientate yourself, and at the count of 5, your eyes will be fully open, and you will feel fully awake and alert and ready to continue your day feeling calm, rested, refreshed, relaxed, and feeling wonderful about yourself. Let's begin. 1. Slowly, easily, calmly and gently returning to your full awareness once again. 2. You feel great and ready to continue with your day. 3. From head to toe, you are feeling wonderful in every way. Physically perfect, mentally fit, and emotionally calm. 4. Your eyes begin to feel sparkling clear and fresh. And 5. Eyes wide open, fully aware and feeling wonderful.